Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another tutorial video for you guys today, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can log into your Klarna account. So if you created the Klarna account and are wondering how logging into it works, I'm going to show you how that can be done. So for this, first of all, make sure that you're already connected to a strong Wi-Fi connection and have downloaded the Klarna app on your mobile device. So now head over to the app. As you open up the app, you will land on an interface that looks like this, where you can see two options, that is create account and sign in. Since you're trying to sign into your account, tap on the sign in button. After you tap on the sign in button, now here you've already set your email or phone number. So type in your email or phone number and then tap on confirm and continue. After you do that, they say that a confirmation email has been sent. So just go and check if you've received any sort of email from Klarna app, because once you receive an email, a verification code will have been sent to your account and you will have to enter the same code in that particular space. So here I can see that I've already received a 6-digit code from Klarna app. Now all I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy the code and then go back to the app. And as I head over to the app, in this section, all I can do is paste the code. After pasting the code, they will automatically direct me towards another page. Wait for a certain while, and then all you can do is simply see these options, and then you'll be able to see that you get logged into your account. So it's quite simple to log into your Klarna account, and I hope that with the help of this video, you're able to log into your own account. If you do so, do let us know in the comment section below, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share, subscribe to our channel, and also hit that bell notification so that you get reminded each time that we come up with a new tutorial video. Thanks for watching, you guys. I'll see you around next time.